If y'all want to watch me, y'all can stay here and watch. Ooh. To the edge. I'm trying not to lose my head.
Right cheek, please don't give me hype. I'm hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage.
Good morning, y'all. It is about 9 o'clock on Saturday. So we're running some errands. We're gonna get some food. EJ needs to get a shirt. And I need to get some lashes. And then we can take some pictures. Rocking my Mind Your Own Marriage hoodie because it's sweatshirt season. Yeah, that's what. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! Alright, y'all. Back from Target. I got some Carmex because my lips were dry. And I literally... The other Carmex was... the other one that I had was down. It was gone. There we go. Ooh, come on, background. Yes. Okay, so I'm about to do my makeup for my photo shoot. So I was thinking that I would just like change my eyes for the party, but I'll probably just like take a shower before the party and redo all my makeup because why not? It's fun. I like it. Oh, and I also got some of these are, y'all, if I ever have on lashes, they're probably these, unless I tell you otherwise. The Ardell Wispies, 5 pair for like 10 bucks. Because this look is gonna be very simple. It's gonna be something very brown, neutral. But I just wanna make sure that my skin, yes, I did not forget my lash glue. I just want to make sure that my skin looks good. So that is muy importante on today. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. We're having cocktail hour at 6 and dinner is served at 7. I want to be on time. Alright, y'all, my face is done. This lighting is bad. Putting my nails on. I'm using tabs because I'm going to change them tonight. I know I'm doing a lot. But yeah. If you haven't seen it already, I made a video about making press-ons. And so I made some press-ons, so I'm going to wear those tonight. At the party. But these nails that I'm putting on are from Nails by Nay. She made these for me. I've ordered like I ordered 4 sets. So a box set. I think I'll show this to y'all. I have a video. But I haven't been anywhere. And I haven't worn them. So I still had 2 sets left. Where did my tabs just go? But yeah, I still had 2 sets left. So I'm like, oh, let me wear this one in my pictures. I didn't want to be all bald nailed. And I'm using the tabs. Like I said, the tabs are temporary. I can like soak my hand in some hot water and they'll come off. But yes, these press-ons are by Nails by Nay. And the good thing about using these tabs is I can use them again. And I wore this set because they have that nude color. I have had nails in forever. Clickety clack. Got my nails on. Okay. Here we are. Now I'm gonna get dressed. But y'all can't see that. Almost done. Just gonna do my hair. And by do my hair, I just mean like fluff it down. Makeup. Yeah, I'll clean it up. But here's the first look. Here we are. Look number 1. Sure, I can still see my brows. I put work into these. All right, let go. I'm ready. Maybe I should get my laptop. I gotta get my props. For the party. Hey, when I first decided to have the party. Where? Where? In Dave's car?
Howdy! What up, man? How's it going? You got some more friends or something? No, I had these friends for a minute. Hey, what you doing? What are you doing?
About to do a photo shoot.
Reagan, it's Uncle Dave and Auntie Jazz.
Auntie Jasmine from Aladdin.
But I'll be her aunt too.
She need to, you an adult.
How y'all doing? You look cute, girl.
Thank you. These are our friends. They're here.
Yeah.
Jazz don't have her. Oh, I can say, where's her travel bag? That's the bag she always had. All right, y'all. Photo shoot done. Went well. Didn't show y'all because, you know, gotta have a little surprise going on. So now I'm cooking. This Airbnb doesn't have a lot of the supplies that I need. Why does my neck look like that? Let me get into this natural light. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to cook. Well, actually I'm about to marinate the chicken because everything only takes 30 minutes to cook. So I don't want to go ahead and cook it now. It's gonna be too early. So I'm gonna marinate the chicken and probably decorate. Go ahead and get that out the way. Yo, that was rough cutting those onions. Oh, I have a headache. This is not good. All right, let's see what else we need to do. I brought some of my own seasonings. Let's see what we got in here, like so, like that. Y'all gonna get this lime flavor today. All right, we're gonna put the onions in there, like so, like that. I don't believe in measurements. I listen to the ancestors when I cook. Okay, here we go. Ew. That was like 3 tablespoons? Okay, no. Does it feel like it? Come on, Grandma, speak to me. I think she said that's it. Yep, she said that's it. We're gonna put a little pepper. The cake baker is asking me if the cake is up to my standards. She made my wedding cake. All right, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Does that look like 3 tablespoons? Yep. Kia's Ratchet Kitchen. Okay. This is my chicken. You gotta rub it in. Shake that for daddy. All right, I'm still waiting for Worcestershire sauce. How do you say that word? Worcestershire or Worcestershire? Or Worcester? That's what I grew up saying it is. I get all my recipes from Pinterest. You know, go check out my Pinterest boards. Oh, ooh, ah! Woo! I got excited. It smells so good. Oh, I need the juice too. I'm a knucklehead. I don't be reading. Okay, recipes are for inspiration. David and Jasmine are rich friends.
We are not rich.
But they got it out the mud. That's what the young folks say now. They got it out the mud.
I'm broke as a joke. I'm still in the mud, okay?
She got it out the mud. Okay,
Still in the mud.
so I've just marinated my chicken. I have to wait for the Worcestershire sauce. Wow.
The W sauce.
I have to wait for that sauce to come. And then I'm gonna start my timer to marinate that for an hour. And yeah, I think I might peel my potatoes. I'll come back when, oh, I'm gonna decorate. I'll come back when I'm decorating. You know, I'm gonna keep recording because I'm here. Y'all gonna see me peel these damn potatoes. And watch this vlog and make sure y'all like and comment and subscribe. I'm just joking. Yes. I gotta get a little aggressive. Cause people, you know, 95% of the people who watch my channel are not subscribed. All right, so I am prepping the potatoes. I'm about to prep the string beans. Jasmine and I set up the table, decorations. Jazz got some back bangs.
Not a bang!
I'm gonna finish cooking. And yeah, I'll come back when I'm getting ready. I'm trying to get all this stuff done so I can get ready.
No comparison.